Hey, hi everyone. Welcome back to another episode of Neeto Design Decision. So, in this episode, we are going to look into an interesting topic, and this issue was basically created by Praveen. And what we were discussing over here is basically to see whether we need to use the vertical triple dot menu or the horizontal triple dot menu. So, what we were trying to achieve is basically have a consistency or have a consistent way in which we are showing the triple dot menu across the Neeto products. So many of the viewers who are watching this video might think like, what's there to discuss about? Like, we can just decide to go with the horizontal triple dot menu or the vertical triple dot menu, and that's it, right? But it actually matters. Like, it depends on what you are trying to build. So if you're trying to build a single product or a suite of product as such. So at Neeto, we are trying to build a suite of products, and right now we have almost 10 20 products under the Neeto umbrella, and more products are going to get added into the Neeto umbrella. So if a user is using Neeto form for a couple of months or a couple of years, most of the action or the basic things that he would be seeing in Neeto form would get registered in his mind. So, for example, I have been using uh, this GitHub for a couple of years, and most of these actions are kind of registered in my mind. Like if I don't see an action, my automatically it would like I would move my mouse to the triple dot menu over here, expecting those action items to be there. Right. So over here, I know already know like okay, I would be able to edit this thing or the copy link would be there, and that's how this behaves. And even if I move to a different screen, that the same behavior is what I'm expecting. So that level of consistency is needed when a user is using for your product for a couple of years, or a user is switching from Neeto form to Neeto desk. So it shouldn't feel like they are actually switching an entire environment or an ecosystem. As a the basic way a system should behave in Neeto form, it should behave the same way in Neeto Desk as well. The functionality, the features, and all those things, the product itself may vary, but the basic things shouldn't vary, is what we have uh, ideated over here. So that's what we were trying to bring. So if you look into the existing way that we had implemented, this is basically Neeto Planner, and you can see like in Neeto Planner itself, we are using two different styles of triple dot menu. Over here, we are using the horizontal triple dot menu. Here as well, we are using in the table item, we are using the horizontal triple dot menu, but in the table header, we are using basically the vertical triple dot menu. Now moving to other screen. So this is basically Neeto invoice. Here we are using the vertical triple dot menu. This is Neeto desk. Everywhere we are using basically the vertical, and this is Neeto chat. And here we are using the horizontal triple dot menu, and this is basically the table. Like everywhere in all the products inside the table, we are using the horizontal. And this is like Neeto desk itself, like where we are using the ticket detail screen, where we are using the vertical triple dot menu. So within the product, across the products, different styles are being used, which is like kind of hard for a user to remember, like whether they need to click on this and what how things would expect behave. uh, so to solve all this thing, we looked into a couple of products. Like GitHub was one such product where they have already used like everywhere they are used the horizontal triple dot menu. The other product that we looked into is Basecamp. So we like actually Basecamp, how they the UI and all those things have they have developed. So here as well you can see like when I click on this, this is basically the horizontal triple dot menu. Even on the home screen, they have used the horizontal triple dot menu. But another interesting thing to note in Basecamp is the way, like wherever they have the horizontal triple dot menu, it feels like the data is flowing from left to right, something like that, right? So the same way is what even the micro interaction or these actions or these animations, they have made sure that like it comes and goes, like the even the menu item comes and goes like the same way the icon represents. So if I go to the home screen, we just go over here, you can see everywhere they are following a consistent pattern. Consistency is being maintained, and that's really important for a user who is using your product for a couple of years and months. Now moving to another interesting product, which is Google. So all the Google products like Gmail, Google Form, Google Calendar, Google Drive, everywhere you can see consistency being maintained. So this is Gmail right now, and everywhere you can see they are using the material UI style, which is basically the vertical triple dot menu. And uh, you can see like over here they have used vertical, even though they have enough space to use horizontal, but they stick to their consistency and they have like use the vertical triple dot menu. So this is how it looks over here. Over here, you can see over here as well they have used the vertical triple dot menu. Now if I switch from Gmail to another Google product, which is uh, Google Form, you can see the same vertical triple dot menu being used. Now, if I switch from Google Form to Google Calendar, you can see the same vertical triple dot menu being used. And same goes with Google Drive as well. So this sort of consistency is what we were trying to achieve with this issue, and finally what we decided is to go with the horizontal triple dot menu. One reason was to bring consistency, the other reason is not to break the UI as such. So in most of the UI across the Neeto product that we have built, the horizontal triple dot menu was looking good. So UI also matters, and also the UX is at the same time important as well. So what we have decided finally after a discussion based on reviewing all these products is to go with the horizontal triple dot menu. And yeah, so do comment below like what do you guys think on this particular topic, what is your thoughts on like whether we should go with uh, the consistency as such, whether we need to have consistency if we are maintaining or building 10, 20 products, or even let's say one or two products, or consistency doesn't matter. Like do comment below this video, and yeah, we'll have a discussion on this topic again. Thanks.